Now then, product spotlight. I've got a rear light from LOYO. I'm going to check this out on the old Dyna.
So this is their hover light, and I've got this one. It comes in clear or smoked. I've got this one in the smoked. Quick crank open. Oh yeah. That's it. One light, one sheet, and a couple of quick connectors. So according to the illustration, it has a running light across the bottom. Your brake light should be all of it, and then the indicators are in the middle. So this is the light in all its glory. Looks pretty simple to put together. I quite like the look of that. It's something different though. It's got a number plate light on the top. Now this is the shredder. This is my Sportster. It'll fit on there as well. So it'll fit on the Sportster and a Dyna. I quite like that. Here's the cocaine train, my Dyna. This is the weapon of choice for this light. So I will be replacing that huge red beast for something a little bit sleeker. Well, dead simple. Just take the two screws out. Boil an egg. So when you take this off, inspect the filth. Nice. Right, let's have a look at the shape differences. Standard, obviously. So they're a different shape altogether. Obviously the originals are flat. The LOYO, it's a different shape. Right, so they've got different connectors. They're for the indicators. These ones, obviously if I look at the back of mine, I need one of them connectors, which they actually supply in the box. So I've just got to plonk them in there, and I've got my connector. A little bit of persuasion just to get them all the way in. There it is, and that one in. Now you can run this with the indicators, but I'm going to try it first without, just so we can see the brake lights and the running light. It's a good size unit. Oh, it's got a good rubber seal on there. Excellent. Right, quick tip. The rubber seal on this is quite substantial. So as I've tightened that up, I've fed the rubber seal into the casing on the back of the fender, which has given me a good solid mount. So it's all in. Oh, I need tinted indicator lenses now. There's always something in there. Right, let's try it. Look at that. Lovely job. That's really bright. There's your number plate light. International Space Station, you can see that. As for the brakes, it's just let's put you down here for the brake. Watch your eyes, people. Nice.